Welcome. If you've been getting constant notifications every time someone adds your photo to a post on Instagram, and it's starting to get a bit annoying, you're not alone. The good news is that Instagram now makes it easy to turn those notifications off directly from your PC. Let's walk through exactly how to do it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Next, find and click on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you manage what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Inside the Notifications section, click on Push Notifications. This is the area that controls real-time alerts sent to your device. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Add to Post. This is the setting responsible for notifying you whenever someone includes your photo in their post. To mute these notifications, simply choose Off under Add to Post.